This is how I groom my front legs. I brush everything down and round out the foot. The bottom of the pads are already shaved. Now I go up the side of the foot on both sides. Go all the way to the armpit in a straight line. And then I brush up the top. And then I scissor up the top in a straight line. Then I do the sides of the leg in a straight line to the elbow. Then I do the back of the leg, brushing it down and doing a straight line to the back. Then I put the leg down and I see if anything needs to be fixed. Scissor up the chest a little bit more around the elbows, and it's all done.